Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my modded Nerf gun Maverick C5. Okay, I'll just go get it. Okay, this is what is modded about it. Just a few cool, simple mods. Look, it can spin, and it doesn't, you know how it would click, but see in here, that could cut off, and then load it faster, spin it. Like, it's pretty sick.